So we're back to using an explicit formula for an arithmetic sequence, and we've already seen that, but here it is again. So this formula, it's slightly different than the very first one. I would just put this formula on your note page. The other one is the same thing. They just have the d and the n-1 switched, but multiplication is commutative, so it's okay. I would just use this formula. It's the one that we normally write. What do you have to know for the formula? Well, you have to know the first term, you have to know d, and you have to know n, or you can know a sub n, and one of the other pieces could be missing. But it's got those 4 parts to the formula. Okay, so it says write an explicit formula for the arithmetic sequence. So here's the sequence. Do we know the first term? Yes. We know a sub 1 is 2. And then do we know the common difference? Well, it looks like it's 10 there, right? And 10 there. Okay, so yeah, as long as it's the same, and it's 10 there, and it's 10 there. Okay, so we know d is 10. Now, you might be concerned on, well, so I know sometimes the difference is positive, sometimes it's negative. Well, look, the numbers are going up, right? 2, 12, 22, so that it's going to be positive. If the numbers are going down, you know, getting smaller, then you're going to have a difference that's negative. But this common difference is 10. Okay, so now we can write the formula, because that's all we have to do is write the explicit formula. We won't know n, and we won't know a sub n, but that's okay. So here it comes. You can kind of see the formula. I scrolled up a little bit too far. Okay, there we go. A sub n is going to equal the first term, which we know, 2, plus, we know the common difference is 10, and it's going to be n-1. That's the explicit formula. Now, if you tell me to find the 79th term, I can do it. I just plug in 79 for n. If you tell me what the 80th term is, I can figure out which term it is, because I would know the a sub n, and I could figure out n, okay? But that's the idea of the formula. Or if they tell me some information, but they don't tell me the first term, I could figure that out if they tell me one term plus the common difference. Okay, so all kinds of different ways that we could use the formula. That's enough for this video.